Hey, Marinette. What's your seat number?
Baby. BBB, 32B.
Oh, great. You're sitting next to me.
It's a little hot in here, isn't it? I just...
Here, let me help you. Oh, sorry.
No, I'm fine.
It's like carriage rides with pretty white horses, little dogs and kittens on your lap, the sun setting over Central Park, the ferry to Liberty Island.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Sorry.
Sorry, Marinette. My father told me everything. The only reason I can enjoy this beautiful sunset is you. I thought it would be impossible, but you believed in it. You're always willing to take a chance on something or someone, even when no one else is. You've got something, Marinette.
Something?
Yeah, there, in your hair.